guys to install a camera like this on a Toyota Camry 2009. I'll show how I did it. Silver color, and I bought it on eBay. I'll show how I did it. So first thing, you should put this one in neutral. Put the key on. Put it in neutral. Screw. Came on. Okay, take this one out. This one also. I have a flashlight right here. Open this one. Okay. Careful. Okay. I'll screw this to this one and this one. Okay. Take this out. Out. Careful. Okay. So, cables. This is an aftermarket radio, and you have a bunch of cables in the back. I'll put the light on. Okay, so the red cable, this is the camera cable, and the red one is connected to another cable which is a brown color, and it says on it car back. This one is connected to park CVBS in. So now this cable, I put it all the way here, and you can see it goes right in there. It's right here behind the seat. So that it goes all the way right here. I'll show it to you. It's right there. You see it? It goes this way over there. Then it's right here underneath this one. So it's right here coming this way. Now I can take this one off. Second. Okay. It's not easy with one hand. Okay. So now this is the cable going this way, going that way, and into the trunk. So it came this way. I put it this way again, behind this thing right here. It fell down already. It's in the back. Anyway, it's coming this way, and again here, and it starts here. From here, you need to take all this out. This thing. Let's take this out. It's really easy. Just stick a knife or something in, pull it out, and they should pop out like this. So you need to take out everything, all of them. So now the cable goes this way, all the way here, right here, and over there. But first of all, to put the camera over there, you need to take this one out, this one, and this too, right here. It's really easy. So you can take this thing out, and be careful of the sign. You need to push over there, that one out. I'll show you in a minute. So when you took them out, you see they're like this. Careful with this one. You can't break it. This one should come out really easy. Okay, I forgot about this stuff right here. Yeah, that one. So that's it. And then I did a hole right here, so I can connect it this way. So that's how I installed mine. I'll show a test. Oops, that's it. So one more thing before doing this hole, just check where the hole should be, like I did. The last thing is the cables. I have two cables coming from the back of the camera. It's a red and a black one, red and black. So that's how I connected them. The red one goes right here. I have like 4 holes, so the red one goes with my red and the black goes with the white right here. So the camera comes on only when I put in reverse. So that's it. Take care and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. So this is how it works.